Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal na mahal ka namin. Lahat ng gagawin mo at lahat ng mga pangarap mo, laging unahin mo si Lord Jesus sa buhay mo. Continue lang na mag-serve ka sa ating Panginoon. God bless. Stay sweet.
Come get me. Hold on to you. Hold on to you. Again. Dangerous when I'm near you.
Let's all give a round of applause for our debutants, Krisha Andrea Concepcion.
Shrunk all my clothes in the washing machine. Running on.
Happy 18th birthday, Krisha.
There's a light flashing in my car. I don't know what it means. You know what I mean? Thought a new chaos, then I turned 18. Oh, it's kinda overwhelming, but hey, lemons make lemonade. Flowers bloom in the rain. Growing up is a pain, and it is what
For I
it
know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future.
Isaiah 62:3. You will be a crown of splendor in the Lord's hand, a royal diadem in the hand of your God.
It's kinda weird, kinda fun, I'm a speck on a rock. You can laugh, you can dance with your stomach in knots. You could trip, you could slip, you could fall down again, 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 and again. And it all works out in the end. Oh, it's kinda overwhelming, but hey, lemons make lemonade. Flowers bloom in the rain. Growing up is a pain, and it is what it is, okay? It's not the end of the world. There's always light where it burns. Just remember the words, and it goes like this. It is what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is. It is what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is.
Krisha, happy birthday. Papasalamat ako sa Panginoon at lumaki ka na may takot sa Kanya at dalangin namin palagi ang success at proud kami sa mga achievement mo at ikaw ang first love namin ni Mami. Ikaw ang siyang patuloy na nagbibigay sa amin ng inspirasyon para gawin mabuti para sa ikalalago at uunlad mo. Happy birthday and God bless.
Just remember the words, and it goes like this.